Hello guys, welcome back to my channel again. It's Benson Makobe TV, your favorite boy, and today we are going to explore the main difference between sympathy and empathy. These people tend to confuse this word oftenly, okay, why they use them. So today we are going to state the two big difference between these two words. And before we do that, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so. Hit that subscription button, turn on notification so that when you release new video, you'll be the first one to get them. Okay, I love you so much, guys. So before we do that, before we go into differentiating between sympathy and empathy, please let's watch this video to the end.
Let's watch this video. Some few minutes. Let's watch this video.
That video that you have just watched right now is a definition of empathy. Empathy is whereby you try to understand someone's pain. You try to understand what people are going through without judging them. Okay? You try to put yourself in their shoes to feel their pain. To feel their pain. You feel for them, you feel with them. You don't feel for them, you feel with them. You try to put yourself in their situation that they are going through. You try to put yourself in that difficult situation, that difficult time that they're going through in their life. While sympathy is feeling sorry for someone. Sympathy is you just recognize someone is going through difficult time and you feel sorry for them. You feel sorry for them, while empathy is feeling sorry with them. It's trying to understand their pain. It's trying to put yourself in their shoes to understand their pain. That's the more difference between sympathy and empathy. For me, I will always choose empathy because it helps someone heal fast. Empathy helps someone feel like someone is there for them, while sympathy makes it adds pain to the situation, because if you feel sorry for someone, that doesn't add any value. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope now you understand the difference between sympathy and empathy, and you understand where you want to be, and you understand which kind of relationship that you want to create with people. You understand how you can relate with people. Now, is it sympathy or empathy? And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to Benson Makobe TV channel. I love you guys. Welcome back. Welcome all. This channel is for all of us. We grow together, we learn together each and every time, each and every day. Okay, and don't forget to leave your comment to tell me what you've learned, to tell me which another word that you want us to learn in the next video. See you soon in the next video. I love you guys.